Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to show you the absolute best cake hack in the entire world using our Artisan Natural Flavors. I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to customize any box cake mix using our Artisan Natural Flavors. Our Artisans are available in over 90 delicious flavors, including real fruit flavors like wild strawberry and blueberry, and also really fun whimsical and seasonal flavors like our butter pecan and bubblegum. But today I'm gonna do kind of a flavor combination. I thought something fun, something tropical. So I'm gonna be using my personal favorite, our passion fruit. It is so good, so good. If you've ever seen my videos before, I probably mentioned 100 times how much I love our passion fruit artisan. So we're going to do a passion fruit cake, and then I'm also gonna combine that with a coconut buttercream on top, which makes using our artisans in cakes and cupcakes even more fun because you can mix and match flavors and really customize whatever it is that you're making. So let's get started. I'm going to take this plain bag of box cake and I'm going to mix it up and add some of our passion fruit artisan to it. All right, so here we have it, boring, plain white cake mix, and we are going to use my hack now. We are going to pump up the flavor using our natural passion fruit artisan flavor. It is super easy to do. Literally, I just mixed up this cake mix, followed the directions on the box, and now I'm just gonna add in the artisan. All we need is 2 tablespoons, and you can interchange this with any of our artisan natural flavors. It smells so good. That is one of my favorite things about this flavor. It is like, it hits you in the face as soon as you open it. It smells exactly like you just cut open a fresh passion fruit. It is so good. And passion fruits are not easy to find. I mean, even here in Southern California, we have a really hard time finding them even when they are in season. So this is your go-to if you want that bold passion fruit juicy flavor. Our artisan it's where it's at. Now all we have to do is mix it in. Okay, I'm going to fill this into my cupcake tin and pop them in the oven, and after that we are going to frost them with a coconut buttercream. Our cupcakes are done. They are absolutely beautiful. They have a nice passion fruit kind of golden color to them. They smell amazing while they're baking. So now let's make our buttercream. I have made a very simple American buttercream here. It's just butter, powdered sugar, and a little bit of salt. And we're going to just ramp it up a little bit using our coconut cream artisan natural flavor. By all means, if you do my cupcake cake hack using our artisans, you can use just plain vanilla frosting, chocolate frosting, but I personally love to add a little extra fun to it, you know, combine flavors, get creative, because everybody loves a little creative flavor combo. So this is really easy. All you have to do to customize your buttercream is add 1 tablespoon of the artisan natural flavor of your choice. Today I'm going to be using coconut cream. You can also use this hack on shelf-stable icing as well. Really easy, just do the same steps, mix it in, and ice your cake or cupcakes. So let's get this added in here, because I want to eat a cupcake. Gosh, this smells like a little vacation to the beach. It smells so good. I love coconut. Let's give this a little mix, and we will top our cupcakes. I'm gonna finish off these cupcakes with a little sprinkle of shredded coconut just to make them extra fun and extra inviting to eat. All right, so our cupcakes are done, and all that is left to do is give them a try. So, the moment of truth, let's see. See if these are bake shop worthy. I think they are, they look like they are, so give it a try. The color is really pretty. It's like a nice, like vibrant passion fruit yellow. Very pretty. All right, cheers. Wow, that's really good. No, it's really good. First, you get so much of the coconut from the frosting, because I put a lot of frosting on here. But then you get like a huge just burst of bright, vibrant passion fruit flavor. These are incredible. They pass the taste test, and I hope you give this a try because you will never go back to just doing plain old, boring box cake mix. I promise you that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you're gonna give this a try, hit that like button and subscribe. That way you never miss any new videos, and then you know where to go back to find this recipe and do your own box cake mix hack. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. You can find us as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.